Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Anu Bajaj. Today I will be discussing the chapter Fritz by Satyajit Ray. Let's get started. The short story Fritz, written by Satyajit Ray, is about a Swiss doll named Fritz. It's a bit ghostly, but it never turns out over frightening. The story is set in a circuit house, which is a dark bungalow situated in Bundi, a small town in Rajasthan. Shankar, who is narrator of the story, works as a school teacher, and Jayanto works in editorial section of a newspaper. Shankar and his childhood friend Jayanto were on vacation at Bundi. Jayanto was very keen to visit this place. It was very strange that after having reached there, he becomes silent. His excitement was subdued. Shankar thought that it is normal since Jayanto has come here after a long time gap. Both the friends were talking and taking evening stroll. Jayanto was struck with a deodar tree. He got thrilled after finding it and gave himself a thought that something paranormal brought him here. He started recalling everything, albeit in bits and parts, about the doll he possessed. It was 12-inch long figure brought by his one of the uncles from Switzerland. It was not mechanized and very much a lifelike. It had a smile on his face, and it is possible to bend and twist its limbs, and the interesting part was that it would respond only to name Fritz, nothing else. Jayanto would be talking to Fritz for hours, thinking the doll would be understanding what he is talking about. He left all other toys and played only with this doll all the time. One day tea spilled over the shirt of Jayanto, so he went away to wash it. Then only some dogs made their entry and fought over the doll and damaged it beyond recognition. The boy felt that the doll was dead and buried it under the deodar tree in the garden. Strangely, after so many years, he felt the presence of doll. Footmarks on his bed was evident to his feeling that still he is sensing that doll is around him and calling him. To his great horror, he made aware about this to his friend Shankar, that despite closing of doors and windows, these footmarks are narrating a different story, maybe footprints of some animal. Shankar thought that there might be a cat in the room. Jayanto got puzzled, disturbed, and he revealed everything about the doll to Shankar. On hearing this, he thought that his friend might be obsessed with the doll. It would be better to clear all the doubts. He went straight to the garden and started digging the ground under the deodar tree where Fritz was buried. To his great horror, much shock, utter surprise, disbelief, and amazement, he found lying a 12-inch little human skeleton. The story ends here. The author left the story in a cliffhanger so that his readers could cook up their own version of interpretations. Thank you. Tip of the day: never ever give up after confronting with tough situations. Keep in your mind, every end has a new beginning. Life throws us, bestows us endless possibilities and tremendous opportunities. There is always a ray of hope to illuminate our path, to put our steps forward or best foot forward. In my next tutorial, I will be discussing the chapter Gifts by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Here, Emerson is telling us about the act of judgment, especially in matter of giving and receiving gifts. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe, and do take good care of yourself.